For more than 3 decades, Rebuilding Together has restored hope and revitalized neighborhoods by repairing homes at no cost for low-income seniors, U.S. military veterans, homeowners with disabilities, and working families impacted by natural disasters. This year, CenterPoint Energy met with Rebuilding Together and HomeServe, a trusted nationwide provider of emergency home repair protection programs, to identify how we can serve the Houston community by offering much-needed repairs to homeowners. Members from the HomeServe Cares Foundation worked closely with Rebuilding Together to select homeowners who would benefit most from repairs that would provide safe utility service to their homes.
Rebuilding Together couldn't do the work that we do without financial support, and CenterPoint has provided that for many, many years. We also couldn't do our work without volunteers. So what's beautiful about our partnership with CenterPoint is they support us financially, and they also bring us volunteers.
CenterPoint Energy's Rebuilding Together projects are examples of how we as a company and as individuals make a positive difference in the communities we serve. We are committed to our customers and giving back to the community, which is one of the reasons we selected HomeServe to offer emergency home repair solutions to our natural gas customers. HomeServe supports the local economy through their selection of minority-owned local contractors to perform repairs, which is also a critical factor in CenterPoint Energy's vendor selection process. Today we will hear from 2 CenterPoint Energy customers who benefited from these goodwill repairs.
I came here to Houston in 1971. I've been staying here at this address since 1999. Well, it started off with the Hurricane Harvey in 2017. It messed up my roof real bad. I had a lot of damage to the kitchen. The electrical, it's like if I touch the refrigerator with my hands wet, I have like a little shock treatment. That's the scary part. CenterPoint referred me to HomeServe to have the repairs done. An electrician came out, and he came out about 3 times, and knowing that, that it's being repaired is a, kind of ease feeling.
Look, I have my coal on full blast. That's it. Hot on full blast. That's it. The kitchen. Bathroom. Fixture loose. Water don't come through the shower head. No spigot on the pipe at the bottom. No shower head. Kitchen drain. Water drain under the house. Loose connection right here. Man, this is gonna be a great thing, being able to take a hot shower, being able to go in there and wash your dishes without spending an hour in the kitchen trying to clean your dishes. Instead of toting water from the restroom or boiling water on the stove, to have running water in the kitchen, oh, it's gonna be like a brand new home.
With this project, the scope of the donated repairs included multiple households in the Houston area. Repairs were tailored to each homeowner's needs, often prioritizing the work needed.
CenterPoint Energy strives to bring natural gas customers solutions to help protect their homes and save money. We introduced optional home protection plans from HomeServe to natural gas customers about 2.5 years ago. Since then, the plans have helped customers save more than $13 million in unexpected home repair costs. This opportunity was a good natural fit for us. CenterPoint Energy is committed to our customers and giving back to the local communities in which we serve.
CenterPoint Energy, always there.